Nugget and I are back again to teach you borrowing with subtraction. So, 34 minus 7. Using what I've taught you before, you're going to draw the 34 using how many tens are there, right? There's 3 tens in 34. And then you're going to look to see how much you're subtracting from that 34, which is 7. Let's count 7 away from 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just a reminder that if you take 3 away from that tens block because you didn't have enough ones, you had to borrow from that 10, that you'd have 2, 4, 6, 7 left, right? Because 7, 8, 9, 10 would bring you that full block back. So you've got 7 ones. How many tens do you have? Let's look. So you've got 1, 2 tens. And just as a reminder, I want to show you that this is 2 tens and 7 ones. Okay, so this matches my visual over here, so you can see what it looks like when it's written as a number. All right? As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. Good luck.